Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am completely new to YouTube, so I apologize for the low quality video, lighting, and editing skills. I'm still learning how editing works, so kind of bear with me if you can, please. I am still learning the ropes on how to do videos, so I'm still learning. So for this video, I am actually doing a review on a product that I bought off of a Facebook ad. It's called Pearl Smile is what it's called. It is a teeth whitening kit. As opposed to whitening your teeth after 1 or 2 uses, you're supposed to see a difference, and it kind of intrigued me. I've seen these advertised on Facebook I don't know how many times, and I was kind of curious to see how legit they actually are. So I am going to try it out. It just came in today. It came in pretty fast. It came in after just like 2 weeks, I believe. So quite impressive. And so I have received it today, and we are going to take a look at it, at what comes in the actual box, because I got the kit and it was discounted. It was something around $40. No, less than that. It was like $30, normally $100. It was one of those little advertisements where it's like, buy now, save 80% off or something like that. So I was like, why not try it? It comes with 3 little pens, so you could use it quite a few times before you need refills, I assume. I'm not sure, but let's give it a go, and let me show you what's in the box. So here's the box that I received. As you can tell, we're in a little bit different of a setting today. Disregard my feet. And there's Roseanne. That's my boo-boo. And yeah, I'm kind of like in the bedroom, living room area. I live in a basement apartment, so I'm on the couch. Here's the box that it came in. It's a pretty good box. You know, it encourages you to, of course, Instagram your experience. I'm on my phone, so I'm trying to do everything one-handed. Here's the stuff that comes inside. I already opened it to look at it, make sure nothing was messed up. Here's the little card that comes with it. Kind of tells you about, you know, what you're looking at, depending on the whiteness of your smile. And it also comes with this. I just dropped that. This just kind of greeting you, there's support, encouraging you to post it on Instagram, of course. Had to take a brief second to get this off the floor. But here's this intro. It tells you step by step on how to do it. Little tips and tricks so you can get the best results from it. It's pretty simple, I believe. So I'm actually going to try to put this together. So here's what comes in a little package that actually has the products in it. And underneath everything, it gives you a coupon code to use, which is pretty cute. It comes in this little adorable little bag, which I love. It looks like it has bubble wrap inside to help protect it. So you can use this as a little traveling case. It's adorable. It's a heavy-duty plastic, so that'd be really handy if you take this on the go. This is the mouthpiece that you use to whiten with. And here's where the battery is, which I have to take apart and take a little safety seal off in a minute. And here's the 3 pins, which you're supposed to apply to each tooth before using the light. So it comes with 3 of these, so that should last a good while. So let me take this apart and fix this up, and then I will be back and show you actually what it looks like when it's in use, or kind of step by step. Let me get this set up, and then I will be back to demonstrate how it works, and we will see if there is a before and after result, which I will post the before and after picture at the end of this video. Hey guys, sorry I'm editing at the moment, but I just wanted to jump in here real quick and say I'm sorry that it's like an up close and personal experience of my teeth. My teeth are not perfect. They're not perfectly white. They're not perfectly straight. Whatever. Throw that in there because I'm sure there's people out there that's going to be like, oh my god, why is her teeth so gappy? Why are her teeth yellow? Whatever. I brush my teeth every day. It's just I do have a tendency of drinking like sodas and teas and stuff like that. It probably stains your teeth. So I wanted to knock that out of the way before I know I'm going to get judged quite quickly. So back to the video. So that you can see actual results after one-time use and see if it actually does do results after one use or if it's prolonged use over a week. So be right back. Let's see how this does. Okay guys, so I am back. I have taken the battery protector off the battery and put it back in. I tested it and turned the light on and off, and it does indeed light up like it's supposed to. Went ahead and started this little pin. I don't know if you can see it that well. This is what the pin looks like. You see a little bubble on the top? Yeah, it took a few cranks, but it's actually wasn't that bad. So I'm going to try and hold the phone and apply this to my teeth. I might just do, honestly, just do like one and then pause the camera and do the rest. But I'm going to show you just a general way of how it works, and we will see the results are. If they say, of course, you have to brush your teeth before you even do this, otherwise you're putting this on gunky, yucky, nasty teeth. It's not going to give you the best results because, you know, when you brush your teeth, you're taking that layer of tartar off and plaque and stuff. You definitely want to do that before using this. So, word of advice, that is what's recommended by this brand. So let's see how it does. So it's like, I got little teeth too. Okay. It kind of smells funny. There you go. Oh, it tastes terrible. Kinda. Okay, let me take a minute to do this to all my teeth. So now I applied it to all my teeth. Sorry, it's hard to talk because I'm afraid of smearing it. And I'm going to use this. Okay guys, so 10 minutes is up. And right now I don't really see much of a difference. I will probably be able to tell more in like the before and after pictures if there's a difference. Not bad. It was 10 minutes long. It went off automatically. It beeped when it went off that the time was up. I can leave this stuff on my teeth for up to 30 minutes for rinsing it out with water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to rinse my mouth out with warm water. And then I'm going to take a second picture to see what the results are, if there was any after one use. And we will see what it looks like. And I will post that picture at the end of this video so everyone can kind of see the before and after. If there was a real difference first time use, which it claims you can see a difference. I think if there is going to be a difference, it's probably going to be a little subtle. But hey, I'll continue using this for the rest of this week every day. And if you follow me on Instagram, which I have linked below in this video, you will follow me on that journey and see what the results are after day 1 before using it and after day 7 of using it, and see if there is a major difference or not, or if this product is a little gimmicky trying to be a knockoff of what actual teeth whitening in a dentist office does. So we will see what the results are. Keep an eye out for my Instagram page to post that picture after 7 days, and I will be making another video to see y'all soon. Just hit subscribe, hit the little notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I'll be doing plenty of videos like this that are just trying out little stuff that you find on Facebook, on Instagram, the little ads that you see, just new products that come out that I hear about that I'm like, that's interesting, let me try that, or wish products, just a huge variety of stuff. That's basically what this channel is going to be doing, and given my opinion, which could be different from others, this product can probably work different on other people than me. Not saying it doesn't work completely. If it works for you, that's great. This is just my experience, my opinion, and solely that. So just stay tuned to my Instagram page to see a full week's worth of results, and also keep an eye out to see more products and videos that I'm going to do reviews on, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.